Namaste. I am T.K. Prasannamurthy, better known as TKP from Bangalore, Karnataka, India. Teaching and practicing secondary school mathematics from the past 42 years. I have served in one of the prestigious premier institutions of our state. Yes, it is Vijaya High School, government aided institution, Jayanagar, 3rd block, Bangalore 11. For 36 years in the mathematics department. Since my retirement in 2016 May, I am involved in conducting sessions, workshops for high school teachers of our state. I am deeply involved and committed in developing mathematical concepts in myself and then in secondary school maths teachers of our state. We are not taught or trained by our seniors, and hence we are not able to teach science subjects in the way it should be taught, without touching the mind nor the heart. For example, in geometry, the methods, the procedures of constructions are only taught without any justification. Do you call this as a scientific approach? We tell the students take compasses with A center, with this much as radius, with radius more than half of AB, cut an arc above and below, with B as center, with the same radius, cut the two previous arcs, join this, join that, do this, do that. That's all we are teaching in constructions. Okay. In mensuration, that is in surface area and volumes of solids, there are 20 formulae regarding curved surface area, lateral surface area, total surface area, and volumes of 7 solids like prism, pyramid, cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere, and frustum. Okay? Now, here is a big list of all the formulae, 20 formulae are there, you are able to see in this slide. Okay. Only problems are worked out without giving any details of the formula. Is this the right way of conducting or conveying the science subject? Is it humanly possible to remember 20 formulae from just one chapter, from one subject and a plain examination? How much tension, stress we are creating and thereby spoiling their health, leading to illegal activities in the examinations. For this reason, most of the students hate the subject mathematics. Hardly 32% of the students who register for PU are entering to science stream. We can make them understand, appreciate, enjoy by giving the complete explanations by viewing geometrically each term of the formula and make them remember in their fingertips and recall at any point of time effortlessly with the help of models and videos. The 4 fundamental operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, okay, and factorization along with HCF and LCM are taught without any insight, without understanding the underlying principles, and just the process or outcomes are transferred illogically to our young minds, and hence the knowledge is not built on a strong foundation. We use only one constant, that is pi. Many a time in secondary school mathematics, without knowing anything about it, most of them are under the thorough opinion that pi is equal to 22 by 7, they do not have any knowledge about the rationality and irrationality. Finally, regarding the statistics, the very first unit is central tendency, and in central tendency we are going to teach our students the mode. The formula is this: L plus F1 minus F0, the whole thing divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. God only should help our students. Okay, but the same formula can be so beautifully convinced or conveyed to our students with the help of the geometrical concept, like through the help of histogram and the concept of similar triangles and the trapezium. And finally, this is the formula to calculate median. Median is equal to LRL plus n by 2 minus Fc, the whole thing divided by Fm into H. And we are making our students to learn by just rote learning. Instead, see, we can make them understand, appreciate, enjoy what is that n by 2 minus Fc, why we have to divide it by Fm by H. All these things can be beautifully explained with the help of a number line concept like this. Okay. I have personally experienced the way in which they react for these kind of approach to lessons by giving standing ovation with tears in their eyes for each and every concept, as it happens in a cinema theater or in a music concert. Most of the teachers say that they were not given this kind of a treatment for the concepts during their studies, nor during their departmental training programs. During the valedictory function, teachers come to the dais and promise me that they will take all the experiences they got during the sessions to the classroom and pass it to our students. Without teaching the concepts properly and make them realize, understand and enjoy it, what right we have to evaluate them at the end of the academic year? Due to this, we are encouraging malpractices, cheating, unhealthy computations, etc. Rote memory and passing package should be totally avoided. More importance is to be given for a conceptual development. Here is a beautiful quotation, I quote, "Poor mind discuss people. Average mind discuss events, whereas great minds discuss concepts." This is given by Socrates way back in 300 BC in Greece. So I request all my colleagues, friends who are in this field to give more importance for the concepts and not the number of problems in the classroom. Okay. Even after my retirement, I am working 15 hours per day trying to understand secondary school mathematics better and better with the guidance of my senior professors from TIFR, IISc, and also equipping with the latest technology, preparing PowerPoint presentations, working models, charts, etc. At present, I am spending 1 lakh rupees on preparing models, charts per annum. We wanted to visit interior places of our state, meet faculty members, talk to them personally, try to understand their academic difficulties, problems if any, give them the clarity regarding the mathematical concepts, empowering them. This is what I mean by empowering them. The necessary teaching aids chart free of cost and pen drive with the copies of the PowerPoint, this also free of cost to them. Our students are there throughout the world serving in different fields, and they wanted to join me in this endeavor. So, we can go with a team of experts in education, psychology, medical, cultural, social, technocraft, other subject experts with a main focus on academics. We have to train and build a strong team of master resource persons. In fulfillment of this ambition, in the month of October 2021, we have started TKP, Teachers Empowerment Foundation, briefly TTEF, a charitable company registered under Section 8, Companies Act 2013, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, briefly called as MCA, Government of India. To achieve this, our foundation company needs finance to hire manpower, vehicle, projector, generator, to make copies of model, teaching aids, charts, food and accommodations to stay for our team. Please help us for this noble cause through your suggestions, donations, and on behalf of the company, I swear that each rupee donated will be used judiciously. Regards, Namaste, I am TKP. Namaste.